Have you ever texted a girl and she left you undelivered for about 8 hours? You start panicking like, what the hell did I do wrong? And you send her another text. You there. For God's sake, don't ever do that. Since this is my first video, let me introduce myself. It's Godly Energy and I give advice on how to be successful, so make sure to buy my book and courses. No, I'm just kidding. I'm Godly Energy. We don't have bullshit intros like this. So let's get straight to the point on how you should text a girl. So first of all, you should not text a girl if she left you undelivered for about 10 hours and then gives you a dry response. That's just straight up disrespect to you, since you are obviously an amazing guy who don't have time to waste. If you want to continue to pursue her, hit her up the next day or 2 days later, but don't try to carry the conversation and create a conversation if it's dry and responds like 15 minutes after every single text. Currently it's quarantine and they got nothing to do. They're obviously ignoring you. So just leave them on read or opened and move on in your day. Do not respond after every single text. When texting a girl, you should try to be more interesting and create a convo if she is getting dry. If you ever get the gut feeling that you shouldn't respond, just leave the convo. You should always trust your gut feeling. It's personal experience. If I stop trying to create a conversation and just leave it once I feel like I shouldn't respond, I would somehow get multiple girls now trying to desperately DM me. It's a balance of being there and pulling away. Do not time and respond a second after she sent you a text after leaving you undelivered for about 10 hours. It just makes you seem away and be dry, since that just hints you're not interested at all, and girls most likely will lose interest in you. Make a video soon on how to pull away or when to pull away, since the timing is everything. So make sure to subscribe and like to stay updated, since there was a time where I pulled away the wrong time and it cost me an entire relationship, and another time where I pulled away and she instantly got attracted. So subscribe and I'll release that video soon. Show that you're interested. I don't know how many times I have to tell you this, but you have to show a girl that you're interested by flirting. One of the biggest mistakes that guys make is pretending like they don't like the girl. I'll often meet someone I think that is cute by giving a romantic vibe to the relationship. One of my relationship with my ex-girlfriend started because I said you're cute, and we basically just started talking and I flirted along the way. Showing signs of interest can actually get someone who don't like you interested, since the girl will keep thinking about you if you like her or not. Fourth, don't try to stay in the texting phase for too long. You should gradually get to phone calls, then FaceTiming the girl. If you have Android, then use House Party or any other app that is similar to FaceTime, since FaceTiming someone will develop a deeper relationship, and staying in the texting phase for too long doesn't really keep the momentum of the relationship going, and it can get a bit boring sometimes. So overall, do not text a girl if she leaves you undelivered for 10 hours. Act desperate and respond to her text instantly, and show that you're interested, and don't stay in the texting phase for too long. Make sure to subscribe and like for more tips on how to be successful and getting the ladies like the Godly Energy does. I'll see you guys next time.